Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we will create and configure a minimal list layout using the Eventful plugin. Minimal list layouts display events in a simple and clean vertical list style, making it easy for visitors to scan event information quickly. Let's begin. First, go to Eventful in your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New Layout. At the top, enter a title for your layout. For this example, we will name it Minimal List. Below the title, you will see different layout presets. Select Minimal List. This layout displays events in a neat, list-based format with a clean and compact design. It is a great choice when you want to present events in a lightweight and easy-to-read layout. Now we will configure the layout settings. First, open the Filter Events tab. This section controls which events will appear inside the layout. The first option is Filter Events. Here you can choose how events are selected. You can display the latest events or choose specific events if needed. Next is the Type of Event option. By default, it will display as Upcoming Events, as for most websites, displaying upcoming events is the best choice. Next is Order By. This setting controls how events are sorted. In most cases, sorting by event start date is the best option because it shows events in chronological order. You can also set the order direction, such as ascending or descending. Ascending order will show the nearest upcoming events first. Then choose how many events you want to display using the Limit option. Next, you can enable keyword search. This allows visitors to search for events directly from the front end of your website. You can display the search bar above the layout so visitors can easily find events. Now let's move to Display Options. This section controls the appearance of the minimal list layout. You can adjust spacing, borders, border radius, and box shadow to match the style of your website. These settings help keep the layout clean, readable, and visually organized. Next, open Template Styles. Here you can choose how the event content is structured inside each list item. You can choose between a custom template and a pre-made template. If you select a pre-made template, you can quickly apply a ready-made minimal list style to the layout. If you use the custom template option, you can choose the content position. In the free version, the available option is Left Image. This places the event image on the left side and the event details on the right side. This layout works very well for a clean and easy-to-scan event list. Below that, you will see the event elements used in the layout. These include the event thumbnail, event title, event metafields, event content, and social share section. Together, these elements create the full event item design. Let's adjust some settings to look good with this minimal layout. Next, open the Load More Pagination section. This section controls how additional events are loaded. Pagination helps prevent too many events from loading at once and improves front-end performance. You can enable pagination and use the Load More button option. With this option, visitors can click the Load More button to display additional events without refreshing the page. You can customize the Load More button label. For example, you can set the label to Load More Events. You can also set an ending message that appears when there are no more events available. Next is Items per Page. This setting controls how many events appear each time the layout loads. For example, if you set items per page to 12, the layout will initially display 12 events. When the visitor clicks the Load More button, additional events will load. This helps keep the page clean and improves loading performance. You can also adjust the alignment of the Load More button so it appears on the left, center, or right side of the layout. Next, open the Detail Page Settings tab. This section controls what happens when someone clicks an event item. You can link the event item to the event's single page. You can also choose whether the link opens in the current tab or a new tab. Finally, open the Typography tab. Here you can customize the text styles used in the layout. You can adjust font size, line height, spacing, alignment, and colors. Once everything looks good, click Publish. After publishing, Eventful will generate a shortcode for this layout. Copy the shortcode. Next, go to Pages and create or edit any page where you want to display the minimal list layout. Paste the shortcode into the page editor. Then, publish the page. Now visit the page on the front end. You will see your Eventful minimal list layout displaying the events. And that's it. You have successfully created a minimal list event layout using Eventful. Thank you for watching and enjoy building beautiful event layouts with Eventful.